Today unboxing are 3 more Mini GT edition, 3 castings in total, the HKS GR Supra with the Lamborghini Huracan from LBWK, and also the highly anticipated Mercedes-Benz 190E for the Camel racing team with yellow pages. In my opinion, 3 are very awesome and beautiful castings. And now let's take a closer look at the ADVAN HKS GR Supra. Comes in the all-new packaging. I believe this will be the way going forward. Standard information behind, and it's a right-hand drive casting. Wow, this GR Supra looks fantastic with the ADVAN livery. Going for HKS livery theme is an obvious choice. It's very popular with collectors. Who don't love the HKS theme? Sharp Gazoo Racing with Toyota badge livery. The big and striking ADVAN logo is plastered all over the casting. Realistic 5-spoke wheel sets that rolls extremely well with no suspension. ADVAN stripes are very distinctive. Elastic side mirror that looks like plastic. As always, very beautiful rear that's executed by Mini GT. Painted exhaust and rear wing that is carefully integrated and aligned. The ADVAN logo is very distinctive and stands out against the black body paint. Overall, a very beautiful casting and is definitely an obvious choice for collectors. Next, the LBWK Lamborghini Huracan version 1. Standard information in right-hand drive for the light blue Huracan. The Huracan is a nice addition for my LBWK collection. It will pair very well with the Nissan GT-R and also my LBWK Fabric, which I haven't unboxed yet. Elastic side mirror that's integrated with the body color. Again, realistic wheel sets that rolls extremely well with the LBWK tagline. Nicely executed rear, just like all the other Mini GT castings. With plastic rear lights, spoiler in carbon fiber in 1:64 proportion, and also decent engine compartment. And lastly, the Mercedes-Benz 190E Evo 2 for the Camel and Yellow Pages racing team. Again, the Mercedes authentication sticker is missing, so for collectors who have this casting, do you have the hologram sticker? The 190E is one of the nicest Mercedes I ever have in my collection. The emblem that is sticking out the hood is definitely one of the highlights. No other makers have done this feature. They are all playing safe except for Mini GT. Casting for the emblem is in metal, so I applaud Mini GT for that. The job well done. All the sponsors' logo are well aligned and on point. What's missing are the Camel logo type. Because it's a tobacco product, they are all banned on all the racing vehicle, especially on the reproduction, and that includes model cars. So like many other makers, Mini GT in this case supplied a water slide decal for the Camel logo type to be applied. Although a classic, the 190E is by far one of the most innovative casting from Mini GT, and in my opinion, it's a very close to perfect casting. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!